Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In our channel, we have many lectures for the medical students, but this medical knowledge playlist is for the other students and for the others. So, in this playlist, we see the normal anatomy of the various organs. We have already seen the liver and the gallbladder. In this video, we will see the human kidneys and the medical knowledge about the human kidneys. Those who have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe now so that you will receive the everyday updates. Now we will see about the human kidneys. So this is the original human kidneys picture in situ. In the posterior abdominal wall it is taken. You can see in this right kidney, left kidney and two ureters. They are the two tube-like passages. They carry the urine from the kidneys. They are marked as ureter, right and left on the two sides. And you can also see the renal arteries. They are the arteries which carry the blood to the kidneys. When you observe these kidneys, they are a pair of bean-shaped organs. It's about the size of 4 to 5 inches long, situated on either side of the our vertebral column, just below the diaphragm. So if you observe this picture, you can see this right kidney is slightly at a lower level than the left kidney. That is normal because the liver lies on the right side. So that is why the right kidney is slightly at a lower level than the left side. If you observe these kidneys and the two ureters carry the urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. The kidney's job is to filter our blood. So blood is carried by the renal arteries to the kidneys. They remove the metabolic waste like urea, creatinine, control the body's fluid balance and keep the right level of the electrolytes. So all the metabolic waste passes through them several times a day. So then the filtered blood goes back into the body and the metabolic waste is getting turned into urine which collects in the pelvis. Then that drains down a tube called the ureter. So you are seeing the ureters. The starting part of the ureter is called pelvis. These ureters carry the urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. If you see, each kidney has about million tiny filters called nephrons. So that only filter the blood. So many conditions may affect the kidneys, mainly the infection of the kidneys. Infection of the kidneys will be called as pyelonephritis. The symptom will be the back pain and the fever. Sometimes from the urinary bladder infection, it may ascend to the kidneys. The main interesting disease should have known here is the kidney stones. Same like gallbladder stones, minerals in the urine form the crystals, they are called as stones. Most kidneys pass on their urine. Most kidney stones can pass on their own via the urine to the bladder, which maybe we will not notice at all. Sometimes if they are very large, if they are in the kidneys and then descending into the ureter, a tube-like passage you are seeing into the ureter, when they pass, they cause the colicky pain that will be called as renal colic. So when they descend into the ureter, the pain is produced. When they are in the kidneys, we don't expect the pain. So when sometimes with this renal colic, if you approach the doctor, they will give you much of intravenous fluid so that they will push the stones via the urine into the urinary bladder, then the pain will subside. So that's the main treatment of the kidney stones. Some other diseases may affect these kidneys. You should have known blood pressure, diabetes. So that will all affect the kidneys, causing the kidney failure, otherwise called as renal failure. So this is about the brief of the human kidneys and their image in situ. You should have seen in this. So those who are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe now, so that we will meet with the next organ in the next video.